Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to crochet this star coaster. So to make this I have used single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and triple crochet stitches and did total 3 rounds to get this size. To make this I have used cotton thread, and with that thread the size of the coaster is 5 inch. You can make this coaster with any thread of your choice. So before we start to make this star coaster, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to crochet this star coaster. So to make this you will need 2 colors of your choice. Here I am going to use this cotton thread from this brand, and for this cotton thread I am going to use crochet hook of size 3.0 mm. We will need stitch marker, needle and scissor. Now take your red colored thread and make a ring. Here I am going to use a magic ring. So once you have a ring, on that ring we are going to make 12 double crochet stitches. First make chain 1, then 12 double crochet, after 12 double crochet stitches, if you are working on that ring, just pull this loose end to close. Now take your hook on top of first stitch, make 1 slip stitch, so round number 1 is done and we have 12 double crochet stitches. Now in round number 2, take your hook in between these 2 double crochet stitches. So here you can find that space. So this is our first double crochet, this is second. So we are going to work in between 2 double crochets, and here we are going to make 2 single crochet stitches. One, same space, make 1 more single crochet. So 2, place the marker on your first stitch, then take your hook in the space between 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Here you can find the space. Here make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, so 4. Like this, work in a space between 2 double crochets, and each space we are going to make 2 single crochet stitches. So at the end of round number 2 you will have 24 single crochet stitches. So 24 single crochet stitches. Now take your hook on top of very first single crochet. Here make 1 slip stitch, and round number 2 is done and we have 24 stitches. Now we are going to work on this tentacle. So I'm going to show you 1 tentacle. You just need to repeat these stitches and need to work 5 more tentacles. So total 6 tentacles we are going to work. To make the first tentacle you need to make chain 8. After chain 8, skip your first chain stitch and work from second chain stitch, and on that second chain here make 1 slip stitch, then work on next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, make 1 single crochet, 1, then on next chain stitch make 1 single crochet, 2. After 2 single crochet, now work on next chain stitch, make 1 half double crochet, Then work in next 2 chain stitches, and on that make one double crochet, 1, then on next chain make 1 double crochet, then work on your last chain stitch, and here we are going to make 1 triple crochet. So to make the triple crochet, grab the thread 2 times on your hook. Now take your hook in next chain stitch here. Now grab and pull the thread. So you have 4 loop on your hook. Now grab the thread, pull from next 2 loop, then grab the thread, pull from next 2 loop. Now grab the thread, pull from last 2 loops. So this is our triple crochet stitch. Now skip 1, 2, 3 stitches, and on 4th single crochet to the base we are going to make 1 slip stitch, and our first tentacle is done. Now we are going to repeat these stitches same as tentacle 1, and we are going to make remaining 5 tentacles. So make chain 8. After chain 8, skip your first chain, work on second chain, make 1 slip stitch, then work in next 2 chain stitches, make 1 single crochet, then work on next stitch, make 1 half double crochet, then work in next 2 chain stitches, make 1 double crochet, then work on next chain stitch, make 1 triple crochet, again count the 1, 2 and 3 stitch, skip these 3 stitches, and on 4th stitch make 1 slip stitch. So we made these 2 tentacles. Now just repeat these stitches same like this and make remaining 4 tentacles. So we are done with these star tentacles. Now we are going to work around this tentacles with white colored thread. So take the white colored thread and attach on top of any tentacle. So take your hook on top of any tentacle here, and we are going to attach the white colored thread. Now we are going to work into the back loop of this stitch. So you can see this stitch has a V shape. This is the front loop of this stitch and this is the back loop. So we are going to work into the back loop of these stitches. So work on your first stitch, work into the back loop, and here make 1 slip stitch, then work into the back loop of next 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet, then work into the back loop of next stitch. Here make 1 half double crochet, after 1 half double crochet work to the back loop of next 2 stitch, make 1 double crochet, now we come to the last triple crochet stitch. So here work into the back loop and make one incomplete triple crochet stitch. So to make the incomplete triple crochet, grab the thread 2 times on your hook. Now take your hook into the back loop. Now grab and pull the thread. So you have 4 loops. Now grab the thread, pull from first 2 loops, then next 2 loop. Now keep these 2 loops unworked. So this is your one incomplete triple crochet stitch. Now we are going to work to this stitches. Here you can see to the second tentacle. Now take your hook to the very first stitch, which is your triple crochet stitch here, and here again we are going to make one incomplete triple crochet. Pull from first 2 loop, then next 2 loop. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. Now grab the thread, pull from all 3 loops like this. Now work into the next 1 and 2 stitch. 1 and 2, make 1 double crochet. Then work in next stitch. Here make 1 half double crochet. Then work in next 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet. Then work in next stitch. Here make 1 slip stitch. So we worked to the one side of the tentacles. Now we come to the top, make chain 1. Now work to the other side of this tentacle by repeating the same stitches. So take your hook into the back loop of first stitch. Here make 1 slip stitch. Then work in next 2 back loops, make 1 single crochet. Then work in the back loop of next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Then work in back loop of next 2 stitch, make 1 double crochet. Now we come to this triple crochet stitch. So here we are going to make 1 incomplete triple crochet. After 1 incomplete triple crochet, now work to the next tentacle, and on this stitches here take your hook into the triple crochet stitch. Here make 1 incomplete triple crochet. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. Now grab the thread, pull from all 3 loops. Now work in next 2 stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Then work in next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Then work in next 2 stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then work in next stitch. Here make 1 slip stitch, a chain 1, So now just repeat these stitches. How we make these stitches around the tentacles. You just need to repeat these stitches and work in the remaining space and work around the remaining tentacle. So I worked around the tentacles, and when you reach to your last tentacles, make chain 1. Now just pull this thread and cut with some margin and secure this thread. Now take your first color thread and top of this chain 1 space here attach the thread. Chain 1 in same space, make 1 single crochet. Now work on top of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 stitch, make 1 single crochet. Now work on top of next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 stitches and make 1 single crochet. Now skip this triple crochet stitch here where we made 2 incomplete triple crochet stitches. So skip that stitch and work on top of each stitch, make 1 single crochet. So 6 single crochet. When you come to this chain 1 space, here make 1 single crochet. Now again work in next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 stitches. Just skip this triple crochet stitch. Then work in next 6 stitches, make 1 single crochet and work in chain 1 space and make 1 single crochet. Like this, need to repeat these stitches and work around. So this star coaster is done. I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in the comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.